Okay, in our last video, I showed you how to wire from the main breaker to the sub panel. Today I'm going to show you how to wire from the sub panel to the hot tub. So first things first, you got to open up your sub panel. You take your screw out. Now, when you take your screw, I would put it back in the hole. Make it simple. That way you don't lose it. Okay, you're going to get your seal tight and all your wires. You got a ground, you got your hot, your common. First thing you need to do is put on your connectors. Okay, you got three parts of the connector. You got the piece that screws to this part, and then this kind of cinches down. So what you're going to do is you're going to feed this through there, just like so. So it comes through and just put it right there. Take this, straighten out your wires a little bit. So this goes like this, and then last is this piece. And all the wires will fit in there. The hole's kind of small, but they all will fit in there. Pull your piece over the top. Whoop, I put that on backwards. It's the other way. This goes that way, and then this piece goes on. There are so many different connectors like this out there. I don't know if any one is any better than the other, but this is just the one that I use the most. So, okay, got that. You're gonna need your nut. Take your wires, go up through the bottom. Now, I do not have the breaker turned on at the main at all. So I have shut that off before I even started. So, take your nut, slide it over. Okay. Now we're going to screw it down. Now you don't have to have gorilla hands on this, just make sure it's down there and tight. That's all. Okay. I've got a little bit of play because I have not hooked it up at the hot tub yet. Now I'm going to run the ground up the side. And I'm just going to run it into the hole in the back. Now, this is number 6 wire. Number 6 wire will go into all these for the common. It'll go into all these for the ground. However, the number 4 wire that I brought from the main panel, you have to add one of these. And it's just a, it allows you to put a bigger wire onto the bar so that you can you know, have a bigger wire. You know, you can go with, like, this is number 4, you can go with number 2. This is a large size hole, it's probably a 1/2 inch hole, and then you tighten those down. So anyways, we'll go ahead and get this done and I'll show you. But I did want to tell you that, yeah, it is kind of a pain in the butt sometimes to get the wires to go in the holes. But that one went in pretty good. Now the screwdriver that I use, it has a square tip, and it matches the tips that are right here and right here. So tighten that down just like that. Then we'll take the wire, we'll just bring it over a little bit just to get it out of the way, give it a little room. Okay, the breaker that I'm using is a GFCI breaker, just like I've showed you in a couple of the other videos. Your hot wire goes here, your common goes here, you can see the little white paint, and your other hot wire goes here. Your pigtail goes to the common bar. So you got your common is all the way over here. The common wire coming from the hot tub has to go to the GFCI breaker. It cannot go here. It has to go to the breaker. If you put it to the common bar, it will trip your breaker. I promise you. First thing I hook up, always gotta open that a little bit more. First thing I always hook up is this. Now I apologize that this might take me a little bit of time, only because I want to demonstrate exactly how you get it, how you do this. Okay, once you got the wire in there. Now the common is isolated, all in plastic, so it can't touch anything. Okay, got that nice and tight. Okay, pretty simple so far. Okay, Now you're going to take your black wire, open up your connections all the way so that the wires can get in there. Otherwise the corners get caught and they just won't go up inside of there. So what you're trying to do is open them up all the way. Okay. Once you got them open, then you put in your wires. Okay. Start with the black wire. Get all the wires pushed together so that they go in. Take your black wire, stick it in. Pretty simple. Now, get it tight. Don't have gorilla hands, but get it snug tight so that it does not come out. Number two, you're going to go right in line and put the white wire in there. There again, make sure it's up inside of there so that it gets connected correctly. Okay. Same thing with the red wire. That connected correctly. Okay. Okay, everything's connected correctly. Let's see if I can make this go the way I want it to. Push those wires down inside a little bit. I can pull them over. I go down to the bottom one. You know what? Normally I go to the bottom right, but since I've got all this busy and I know the only thing I'm using in this hot tub is going to be the, or in the breaker box, the only thing I'm going to be using is another 20 amp for the ceiling fan and for an outdoor kitchen, for lights, LED lights, so I can do all that up here, and that'll be a whole lot smaller wire. But with all the busyness that I have over here, I'm going to actually put the breaker right here. So snap it into place, and that's all there is to it. Normally I like to put the GFCI breaker in the bottom right. That way if I have a problem and I'm having somebody turn it off, I can say go to my sub panel, bottom right corner, that's where the breaker's at. This one, I'll have it marked over here, SPA, and I'll put it in big letters. So that's where that breaker will sit. I got all the wires. I'll show you how it came out on the other side. Okay, kind of say you got the black, you got the white, you got your other red, you got your pigtail, goes around the back, comes up over here. Ground goes all the way up to here. Pretty simple. Okay. Grab your door. Your door goes on like this. I'm utilizing these two spots right here. So that's all you're going to do is take it with your fingers and just push. And just take out these two. That's all you got to do. Got that one. Take this one out. Okay. Once that's done, take your screw out that you put down. Put your screw here a couple seconds ago. I'm going to put it right there. So that's up there. Okay, you're going to take your door, put your door on, take your screw, and then I'll take a Sharpie and I'll mark it right here and I'll put SPA. Okay, pretty much that's all it takes to do your sub panel. Okay, make sure your breaker is turned off. Turn it on, turn it off. Make sure it's off before you wire the hot tub. Very important. Even though I know at the main breaker, I have shut it off. Okay, now once again, come on. That's not, there we go. Done. Off to the wire the hot tub now.